Let's work on it right now.
Wait, do you like it?
Yeah. I'll do everything.
You'll do everything? Yeah. It's kind of a lot of work, but good thing you know a guy who works on cars.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, so we just arrived at the Copart lot, and we're gonna wait for the car now. I'm super excited for this car, guys. It's gonna be a really fun project doing this with my fiance, and man, she's so excited too. She was texting me. She's just such an amazing woman. She's so sweet and so genuine, and I just can't wait to see her face when she sees this car, guys. She's been sending me memes and pictures of Miata since we first started talking, and this has just always been her dream car, and she loves it. She loves the pop-up headlights and everything. And now we are waiting for the loader. Speaking of which, he's pulling up right there. So super awesome. As I was saying that, I just seen the Miata pull up. We're gonna go get it loaded up and check it out. I'm so excited to see how this thing looks. There she is. All right, guys, so here she is. It's a 93 Mazda Miata. This thing definitely needs some love. It's kind of rough, and this guy just came over here. He was like, hey man, we got 10 of those. So he's got parts for me, right?
Plenty of them.
What do you think of the car?
Man, it's in great condition, but you know,
It do need some love.
hey, it's worth what you paid for it. Like how much you said.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna tell
yeah.
everybody, but you know.
Yeah, we're gonna keep that a secret for
yeah.
now.
But yeah, you see like this trim right here. Yeah. That if I could give you that trim, that's gonna make this value go up right now.
Yeah, so you guys have all these parts. I mean, you got 10 of them over there, don't
We
you?
got 10 of them. We got like 10 of these little older ones, and then we got all the way up to 2019.
Nice. Yeah, so he's gonna check, see if he's got this bumper, because this bumper's a little rough. It's got dents in it, which that's a common Miata thing.
Yeah, but one thing about it, by just looking, I know this car ain't been wrecked either.
Really?
It ain't been like not smashed. You know what I'm
Yeah. It does look kind of original.
Yeah,
and then we got this fender that we need, so they have a fender as well. So that's crazy how that worked out, man. We got a little damage here.
Let me check the interior, man.
Go for it.
Let's see what
I ain't even really checked it out yet.
You just bought it?
Yeah, I just came from Copart, man.
Oh my god. You bought it from the auction?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
What do you think of the price though? Was it worth it?
Let me check out the interior. Okay. Yeah, this is a 93 model. You can definitely tell by the dash. No airbag on the passenger side. You know.
Dang, so you know a lot about these cars.
But the seats they good too. You got to clean them up real good. You know, spend some time. You can do that.
Yeah, I was thinking to take the entire interior out and just.
And then this thing still got the convertible top in the back.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, you just take this hard top off, and then and then your convertible just go up.
Dang, dude, I didn't even know. That's awesome. I hope it's not like tore up in there.
For what you paid, bro, you got your money back right now, just by having that top.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Yeah, so this thing is sick. We're gonna stay in contact with these guys, and I'll make another trip down here. We'll go down to the shop, and we'll get these parts for this thing. But I mean, I'm happy with the purchase. This is actually for my fiance. This is her dream car,
what they
dude.
buying them for too, though.
Yeah, dude, this is her dream car. She's been talking about this car since I met her.
Oh my God, you about to, man, you gonna marry that girl, girl.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, we're gonna fill up and hit the road. All right, guys, so we are back at the shop with the Miata. Andre's about to go to town on it with the pressure washer, and we're gonna see how well this thing cleans off. All right, guys, it is the next day here. Angie's about to check out the Miata. I am currently painting my E30 M3. I'll show you guys that, but I want to see her reaction to seeing the Miata for the first time. Are you excited?
Super excited.
All right. Around this corner is...
Yo, this is gonna be awesome. Let's work on it right now.
Huh?
I said let's work on it right now.
Right now? You ready to get dirty? You didn't... It doesn't look like you wore work clothes.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, do you like it?
Yeah. That's awesome.
It's kind of a... Huh?
I said I'll do everything.
You'll do everything? Yeah. It's kind of a lot of work, but good thing you know a guy who works on cars.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's recording.
Yeah, it's recording. This is Angie, my beautiful fiance, and this is her Miata. What do you think?
I have no words. This is amazing.
Wow, you're excited, aren't you?
I'm really excited.
So what do you want to do to it? Do you want to lift it up like a monster truck and put big tires and paint it pink?
No.
Okay, fine. What we'll do is we will paint it the same color as the E30 M3. How about that?
Be nice.
I think that would be pretty sick.
Oh yeah.
We found a bunch of rims and stuff. Guys, we have so much plans for this thing. I'm super excited to be able to build it with Angie. She is just so amazing. I can't wait to build this thing with her. It's gonna be super fun, super exciting, and a lot of work. I'll do most of the hard work. That way Angie doesn't have to inhale Bondo and whatnot, but I'm gonna make her do some work, you know? I will make her ruin at least one pair of pants and a shirt. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. I think me and Andre are going to go ahead and take the interior out and do a deep clean on it and see how well it cleans out. We're gonna get a key made for it, and hopefully this thing will crank right up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, so it's been a couple days on the Miata, and I think what we're gonna do first is make sure that this engine is good. So Matt is here with me today. He's gonna take that door panel apart, and he's gonna get the lock off, because the key man told me if I take the lock out, he will make me a key for 25 bucks, and that is a steal of a deal. So Matt's gonna go over there, get that door panel off, get this lock out, and we're gonna go ahead and give it to the key man. He's gonna make us a key, and we're gonna change all the fluids and the spark plugs, and we'll see if this thing fires up. If it fires up, that'll be nice. Then we can go ahead and take it apart and go ahead and clean this interior out really nicely, because as you can see, it is absolutely filthy. So let's get started. Guys, check it out. Matt is making amazing headway here. He's cleaning the windows right now. I'm about to go to O'Reilly's. We're gonna get some oil and some spark plugs. That way we can freshen this thing up and ensure that it starts. I'm also gonna go meet the locksmith, and we're gonna get the key made for this thing. That way we can see if this thing will crank up and if it's even worth doing. But we're also going to get the special vacuum that cleans these seats really nicely, and we're gonna see how they clean up. Hopefully some of this carpet too. It is really dirty, but I think this thing's gonna clean up pretty nicely. The interior looks good, and honestly the exterior is not even too bad. If we can get this thing running, I think this will be a really good buy. All right, so the carpets are crap. I mean, they're pretty moldy, but the car turned out pretty nice. I mean, look at these seats. These things look pristine. No rips, no tears. All the junk came out of them. I mean, they're looking pretty good. The interior looks really good. Everything cleaned up. Now we are working on the ignition, and so I tried the new lock that I got from the locksmith, and it is locked up as well. So I'm thinking there is a problem with this steering wheel lock, and what we're gonna do is take this off and see if we can figure out why the ignition is locked up. Hopefully it's not a big deal, but I read online that the steering wheel lock is a big issue on these cars. So we're gonna disable it and see if this thing will even run. Okay guys, so unfortunately this ignition lock is bad and I'm gonna have to order one, which kind of sucks. I wasn't really trying to spend extra money on stuff that I wasn't expecting, but it's okay. Let me know what you guys think of this Miata. Should we keep this thing? I was thinking maybe this thing might be a little too far gone and I can find a better one for my fiance. The biggest thing for me was the automatic. She really wanted an automatic, but worst case scenario, we teach her how to drive manual again. I think her skills got a little rusty since the last video. And from there, we can just go ahead and figure it out. Maybe find a cleaner one. I might just clean this one up, buff it a little bit, and just sell it and keep the hard top. I'll pretty much get a hard top for free, and we can start over with a better one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should we save this one, or should we go and find a better one? But that's gonna be it for the Miata, guys. Stay tuned. We'll let you know what we decide in the next video, and we'll see what you guys decide in the comments. So we're gonna head over to my E30 M3 right now and give you guys a tremendous update on it. Check it out, guys. The E30 M3 has an engine, and I gotta say, it's just turned out amazing. Check it out, guys. I redid the entire harness. If you look up inside here, we did the wire loom, the harness tape, all of these wires. If you look through down here, all of these wires, everything just looks super nice. The engine bay is painted. The engine is on its mount, sitting beautiful. We are going to be buying the harness covers that go right here, and it's gonna cover all of this, make it super clean. But check it out, the engine's in, guys. I'm super happy I went ahead and painted the engine bay. Now it matches the rest of the car. Now it's got fresh paint. I will polish a couple little spots. I mean, I'm going for nice on this car. I want it to be perfect, so we are gonna be ensuring that everything gets buffed out, even in the engine bay, on the exterior. We're gonna make sure this thing is 100%. Stay tuned, guys. This video is dropping super soon. I wanna go ahead and wire up the rest of the engine and possibly get it started. So if you wanna see that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss this video and other videos that we're dropping. We appreciate all the love and support in all the videos, guys. If you want, you can follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co, link it down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.